Sister's getting married, and I'm really tired. We drove all night, and we decided it'd be cool to come here and video. Not the wedding, but cool stuff here, and cool stuff in New Jersey because we're going back to her mom and dad's afterwards. So. So, Tiffany just ran out of the room because she has to go get ready with her sister. We're in Maryland. We left like 6:30 from Florida and drove all the way up here to just outside Baltimore. The room is actually really cool, but we're here and we're gonna go to New Jersey and we're gonna film some cool stuff. But we figured in like this lull moment because, you know, there ain't much to do. We want to talk about kind of the stuff that we've learned about YouTube. You know, like what's some stuff that we've done. We thought about maybe talking about some stuff that like we learned and what YouTube really was as compared to what we thought it was, you know, because it's really different. It's really fun, but it's really different. And we're not some people with million views or anything like that. We're, you know, we have 350 something views right now, but we should have more because we made a very, very big mistake when we first started, and we want to talk to you about that mistake. We also want to talk to you about stuff that you should watch out for, stuff like that. But right now I'm gonna get dressed. I'm Richard. That was Tiffany. The little guy sleeping in there is Richard as well. But I'm gonna get dressed, go to a party, and we'll talk about it in a minute. Like and subscribe. Bye. Yeah. High five. High five. High five. Yeah, baby. High five. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We're talking to the camera. Yeah. Hit. Oh, hit. Yeah. Ever noticed it takes like 6 a.m.? You wake up for a wedding and get ready for a wedding at 6 a.m. Tiffany got to get ready at 6 a.m. We got to be there at like 12:30. I probably won't get ready till 11. But the first thing that you got to remember, the first thing when you start a YouTube channel is you can't be afraid to start a YouTube channel. I know you hear that over and over again, but if you watch our first video, we was terrible. We was absolutely terrible. I don't even think our first video is up. I'm gonna put it up just for this video, put it back out just so you can see it. Just scroll to the top one. It's not good. Morning, sunshine. But you can't be afraid to. And if you think that everybody starts great, go to any YouTuber and check out their first video. Nobody starts a good first video. But you do learn quick. Like, you learn really, really, really quick. So don't be nervous. Just get out and do what you gotta do and just shoot. When me and Tiffany first started, the first time we went out on our YouTube channel, it's really dark in here. Let me fix the light. Let's see, does that do anything? No, it does nothing, I know. No idea. Check out the shower. Check out the shower. It's so cool. And if you want to know what it smells like, I always have this. It's really good. I love this stuff. I'm not sponsored because we hardly have any viewers, but So, like when you first go out, you get really nervous, and you find yourself, like when you first start, you have the camera right here because you're like trying to hold it close to your body because you don't want anybody to know that you're doing that. Just bumped into the TV. Slide that back into the wall. You don't want anybody to know that you're doing it, like you're really nervous, so you're like this when you talk to people, and you're talking to the camera, and you're like, we're here, and you're whispering. You get over that. The only way to get over that is just to do it. You just get more, and then the arm starts going up, and then all of a sudden you're talking to people like this right here, and you're walking down the road, and Tiffany's standing right here, or you're at home. So stuff like that you get used to. You just got to constantly do. Next one, it's very important.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Next one is camera setup.
Camera?
Yeah, and editing, right? When we started, we knew nothing about any of it. And over time, we got better and better. Are we experts? No. But we've worked on it and worked on it, and we got better. And we're going to continue to improve. So if you know nothing, it's another thing you just got to keep going at. Watch videos, watch tutorials and stuff like that, and you get better. All right? Because watching, like, your thumbnails and everything else really matter, really effective. It's just as important as your SEOs and everything else. So you need to learn how to edit stuff. Because if you learn how to edit stuff, you can do cool stuff. Might not be that great, but stuff like this. Now, I'll be back. We're gonna go party. Yeah. Take a minute, man. Just bring that in. That's what a real man looks like. You know, funny story, the first time I ever had a pork roll was when he was born. They were serving it, and the guy in front of me, I was just really tired, and the guy in front of me, he had the pork roll on a Kaiser roll, and I was like, I want one of those. So ever since then, every time I come to Jersey, first thing I get is pork roll. Oh, I'm in another bedroom. I feel like the entire time I've been talking to you guys, I've been in a messy bedroom. Right by the hotel are here. We're back in Jersey now. We're in New Jersey. I don't think we actually made enough footage to do a video for Maryland, but we did get some crabs and stuff, and I did some shooting on my phone, so if I can get that, I'll throw it in. But the next thing you need to know is sub for sub. Son. Sub for sub. Sub for sub is probably not the best thing on the planet to do. Actually, it's terrible for you. And here's why. We never did sub for sub, but what happens is the YouTube algorithm, they just go crazy and like just pretty much read everything. It's like a big computer that reads everything about your YouTube channel. All right. And basically, by you just getting a whole bunch of people who subscribe to your channel and don't watch it, it basically just tells YouTube that nobody watches your channel, so why push it? It's like this guy has 3,000 subscribers and only 10 of them watch it. This guy doesn't put out stuff we want to push, so it sucks. And we had something very, very similar, but you do make a lot of friends on YouTube. We have a couple people like No BS Eateries out of Mount Dora, Florida. They're really cool. And Daniel and Yuka from Papua New Guinea. Yeah, we made friends from Papua New Guinea. Tell me that's not awesome. And check out both their channels, No BS Eatery and Daniel and Yuka. They're really cool. They go around and try different restaurants. I think No BS Eateries is in North Carolina right now doing some stuff. And Daniel and Yuka is over in Papua New Guinea getting ready to go to Japan. And we are in New Jersey. I'm going to show you some New Jersey things. And we're going up to New York City. So that's really cool. So you make a lot of cool friends. Now, for the last piece, I think I'm going to tell you in Manhattan. Maybe in Times Square. So if I do it right and I hit right here, I should be in Times Square.
Alright. Now we decided to finish this video in the actual, what do they call it? Crossroads of the world. To do our last tip. When we decided to do this, we know we wanted to do something with travel. And one of our biggest mistakes is we did a video about the Villages, Florida, and it was like an absolutely big, huge blowout video. But if you look at our analytics, all we got watching our videos was 65 and older.
Yeah.
And they didn't care nothing else about the rest of our videos. But we was so successful. We was getting more subscribers and more things than anybody else that we was friends with or people we met along the way. And it was just like such an empty growth. So I know some people say stick to your niche or follow whatever, but if you guys want to do something, you guys actually need to stick to your niche. And if you feel like something's poisoning your channel, even if it looks great on paper, take it away, right? And we got Tiffany back. She's been busy all week with her sister.
I have been.
So,
it's been fun though.
Yeah. So, just to recap, guys, it's fun. It's amazing. It really is. It's a great hobby. Look where it's brought us, man. We're sitting in Times Square right now. We wasn't gonna go to Times Square, but we're in Times Square right now. It's cool. So you're definitely gonna like and subscribe because we're gonna do a few videos here, show you what we know about New York. Tiffany's gonna show you what she knows about New York, being a Jersey native. But definitely hit that like button, and I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry we've been gone for so long, but we've been doing this, and we've been thinking of you while we was gone. I'm Rich.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this has been
How's My Living?
I'll let her have the final say. Alright guys.
How do you feel about your daughter getting married? That's a standard answer. Textbook. You have to check the files and make sure it was right. Happy.